Hey guys, this is Sam from We Are Symmetry, and today I'm going to be doing the no heat crinkle wavy hair, so I hope you enjoy. These are some pictures of how this hairstyle looks on my hair. It's not very clear, which I'm sorry for, but you will see the finishing look in the end of the video. As you can see, I already did the other half of my hair. It takes about 2 minutes or less on one side. And me personally, I like it when my hair is damp. I feel like it gives me more control over my hair. So I'm brushing it out so there is no knots. Now I'm going to divide it into 3 pieces so I can start my braid. The braids doesn't have to be perfect or tight braids, but I'd suggest you to braid your hair tight for a better result. So now that we are finishing up, I would like to tell you the waiting process. I like to sleep on it, as in I do this overnight. But if you're in a rush, use a blow dryer to dry your hair. If not, just wait it out. My best friend Triana said for an African American to achieve this hairstyle, you would need at least 6 tight braids. Triana? Triana? Hello? Triana? I guess she's not here. Well, okay, I'm done. So I would like to take some time and tell you the reason why we haven't been posting videos lately. So 1, timing. We barely have time, so we're going through school and stuff, and we barely have time to make videos. 2, the application. So say we use 5 minutes of the application. Well, that'll be time, the time will be done. So we won't be able to use this application anymore. 3, the quality of the videos. We don't like giving bad quality of the videos, and we don't have a camera. So I'm using my laptop camera right now. So that's the reason why, because we know the public doesn't like bad quality videos. Okay, so it's been 4 hours, so now for the final results, let's take this off. I'll be back when it's all off. So once it's all off, you just do that to your hair. Just, then you're basically done. Damp, because they're still connecting together. But that's the final look. See, wavy, crimpy hair. Thank you.